How much does wheel alignment cost? If you're thinking of increasing your car's safety with wheel alignment but you're kinda skeptical about the price, then this article on how much does wheel alignment cost will prove very helpful to you. Don't limit the consideration of your car's safety features to airbags, traction control, and brakes. Tires and wheels also have a significant impact. They aid in straight-line driving, cornering, and safe stopping for the vehicle. The wheels must be correctly aligned in order to work at their best. A proper wheel alignment keeps you and your passengers safe by extending the life of your tires, increasing fuel efficiency, and safeguarding your suspension. So, let's learn about the wheel alignment cost. Type of car. You can discover that the component that impacts wheel alignment costs depends on the type of luxury vehicle. This is due to the fact that some vehicles need specialist tools or have engineering designs that make the task more challenging and time-consuming. The number of wheels. The normal price range for a front-end alignment, which only affects the front two wheels, is $50 to $75. While a four-wheel alignment typically costs $100 to $168 extra. Alignment packages. Some auto repair businesses provide packages for lifelong alignment services. In this instance, you will pay a single upfront fee to obtain alignments every 6,000 miles or every 6 months. Additional services. The technician may discover additional work, such as tire balancing or vehicle suspension repairs while conducting the alignment. It's essential to perform preventive maintenance to keep you and your passengers safe. There are several more indications that you should visit the auto body shop, even though professionals advise having your tires balanced every 1 to 2 years. Steering issues. Your tires may need to be aligned if you've recently had any steering parts replaced or feel vibrations while driving. Hearing strange noises. While some noises when driving your car are to be expected, loud squeaks when turning are alarming. Uneven wear. Check how your tires are wearing the next time you are parked. If a tire appears balder or is wearing asymmetrically, a tire alignment may be necessary. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.